Hello and welcome to my art and cooking channel. My name is Cynthia Maynard and I'm so glad you took time to join me today. Today I have an oil pastel bunny, as you can see right here. More of a whitish one with bits of shading. I'm working here in my Strathmore tone tan paper. This is my larger pad that I have. I think, actually it might be no, I think it is my larger one. So you can see I did some doodling over there to make some flowers for a pattern design. And then I had the rest of this paper, so I thought I would go ahead and sketch out the little bunny with my charcoal pencil. I was using a reference of 3 bunnies, and I picked out the one that I liked the direction he was sitting and went ahead. I had some issues here with proportions here, but it all gets worked out. It's nice to use an erasable pencil in the beginning there. But I went ahead and sketched him out just so I could get the main gist of where I wanted to go. And then I'm kind of going right in. I didn't do colored pencils this time. Sometimes I do. I just was going for it here. I have a little bit of blue on my white there. But sometimes that's nice. But normally you do want to clean your oil pastels from the last time you painted. But so going in with a base of white, and then I'm going to do bits of grays and some ochre and a little bit of tan for some shading, and then the little bits of pink for the ears and nose, as you will see, and then of course some greens for the grass that he is sitting in. I will have links below if you could like, share, and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or comments. That helps YouTube to push these videos out, and greatly appreciated. It's a free way to support artists for the good old-fashioned analytics there. But and this little minty color here, I forgot about that, but then just kind of blending that underlayer just to kind of give myself something to work on so that the paper doesn't show through. That's the benefit of doing an underpainting, but I think it was a bit of a hurry this time. So he's got some little proportion problems there, but it'll get worked out. There's my, I was using my iPad there to get my reference. I create the references myself, and then that way I have something to go by for drawing, because sometimes in your mind you can't remember what a rabbit looks like sitting a certain direction. But anyways, just filling things in and just going to bring layers from the back to the front, and kind of shade around the neck and around like where the legs kind of folded up there he's sitting, and things like that. So, and I believe I did bring in my white Posca pen toward the end for the eye highlights, if I remember correctly. And I'm going to go ahead and put some music on and let you enjoy this painting. Again, if you do have questions or comments, these are, before I go here, these are Art Echo and Paul Rubin that I'm using mostly here. And great array of colors and firmness to creaminess ratio. So I highly recommend those, and they're not too hard on the pocketbook. But all right, I'm going to put some music on. Please enjoy the rest of the video.